Alright folks, here it is. Start down here. We'll work our way around. This is the crater of the Singalung volcano. You can see it's still pretty freaking angry. So we're going to go up to the sulfur jet. Just walk our way up. You can see the rocks are very just round blocks of sinter. And as we go up, pick your way through the path. And here's our sacrificial version. Wave to the camera. Say goodbye to Mum and Dad. Yeah. No, we're not going to do that to Sandra. We're going to walk on up. You can see a very angry steam jet. You can smell the hydrogen sulfide gas. You've got to pick your feet carefully. Holy... Wow, that really is something. See, the noise is really quite amazing. And there it is. The angry earth. Down here, you can actually see the sulfur flowers if you look closely. Beautiful crystals of sulfur. I'm going to get up close to this mountain here. Woo!